We are going to discuss an easy method to solve division of any number with 11. For example, we have to divide 1 upon 11. We just convert this 11 as 1 plus 10. Then subtract this from the numerator from 1. So the answer will be 0. And then subtract numerator from 10. So the answer will be 9. Which is, since it's a proper fraction, we just put it followed by a decimal place. So, as you all know, the division by 11 will be a recurring number. So, repeat these two digits, that is 0.0909 etc. will be the answer. Once again, I will explain it with another number. For example, we divide 2 by 11, we just split 11 as 1 plus 10, then subtract 2 and 1. Therefore the answer will be 1, and then 10 and 2, therefore the answer will be 8. So it should be represented after a decimal number, decimal point. So the answer will be 18.181818 etc. Another example, 4 by 11 will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3, and 10 minus 4, that is 6. So 36, 36, 36 etc. It could be used for any number which is less than 11. For example, if we have to divide 10 by 11, we just put a decimal point, and then 10 minus 1 will be 9, and 10 minus 10 will be 0. So the answer will be 0.909090 etc. So in order to find the division, find the answer of any number which is greater than 11 divided by 11, we just have to put the first number as such and convert this to a mixed fraction. So put the first number as such plus the first number minus the second number, that is 1 divided by 11. So the answer will be 1 point. The answer of this is as already discussed. So it will be 1 minus 1 0 and 10 minus 1 9. So 0.0909 etc. Another example, 13 by 11 will be equal to 1 plus 2 by 11, which will be equal to 1.2 minus 1, 1, and 10 minus 2 will be 8, 1.1818 etc. It holds for any two-digit number. For example, if we divide 24 by 11, we just put 2, the first digit number as such, plus 4 minus 2, that is 2 by 11. So the answer will be 2 minus 1, 1, and 10 minus 2, 8. So 2.181818 etc. will be the answer. Now, in order to divide a three-digit number with 11, for example 123 by 11, we just put the first digit as such and subtract the first and second digits. So the answer will be 1 plus this answer 2 minus 1. This difference of first and second digit is subtracted from the third digit. So 3 minus 1 will be 2 by 11. And the answer will be, as already stated, 18187. Another example, if we divide 243 or 245 by 11, we just put first digit as such, and second digit minus first digit will be equal to 2 in the second place, plus this answer minus the third digit, that is 5 minus 2, 3 by 11. So we can convert this mixed fraction as 22.3 minus 1, 2, and 10 minus 3, 7. 2, 7, 2, 7, etc. Thank you.